Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to put your skills to the test with the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. Joining us today is Microsoft trainer Deborah Ashby. Check out her challenge coming up right now.
Hi everyone, are you ready for another Excel challenge? Here's the scenario. I work in HR and I've been asked by the sales manager to produce a report of all of the employees who work in the sales team and their salaries, because the sales manager is doing a complete review of his team to make sure that employees are competitively compensated. Now, as the HR manager, I have a list of all employees and all of their salaries. And you can see here in the table on the left-hand side, I have my employees listed with their job title, department, status, and their salary. Now, in reality, this table would be much longer. I've just selected an extract. So what we want to do here is we want to be able to look up the employee and return the salary. Sounds pretty straightforward, hey? Well, things aren't quite as simple as they seem. If you take a look in column A, you can see that for the first employee that we need to look up, John Smith, we have him listed 3 times. So we have John Smith, who's a credit controller in finance, a John Smith who's a sales agent in sales, and a John Smith who's a developer in IT. So we need to work out what formula we need to use and what we can do to ensure that we're returning the salary information for the correct John Smith. And that is the John Smith that works in sales. Now, there are numerous different approaches to this. I have my own that I like very much. Can you figure out what it is? And just a little tip before you begin, I use a helper column to do this. So it's time to download the exercise file and let me know if you have the answer before we release the solution. Hit the subscribe button below to get notified.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!